what's going through your head there? Are your parents saying, I told you so at any point? Like are they pushing you still to kind of consider law school? What was the whole dynamic?
Yeah, no, my parents are pretty cool. My parents are East Asian. So they're from a background of, education is everything, but surprisingly, my parents are pretty cool. And they were supportive. I think they thought that I'd figure it out in the end.
Mm-hmm. And you did.
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah.
Yeah.
One regret I have though is I had I don't know how I got this offer, but straight out of college, I got an offer to go to a large hedge fund. Wow. At the time it was one of the largest hedge funds in the world, and I didn't even know what a hedge fund was, but I somehow got the opportunity, and I turned it down to create like a surfing app. So I always feel like potentially maybe that was not the right decision.
I love it.
Then looking back at my how my career has progressed, investment banking, when you join, obviously, as you guys all know, if you join as an associate and move on up, those opportunities on the buy side is limited. So if that was something I wanted to pursue, it wouldn't be open to me today, I feel, or it would be a lot harder.